This is how to properly light your cigar with a torch lighter. If your cigar has a foot band on the bottom, you will want to remove that foot band by sliding it off. Hold the lighter at a 45-degree angle and do not let the blue flame touch the tobacco. The only thing that should touch the tobacco is the heat off of the blue flame. Rotate the cigar in your hand as you're toasting it. Ensure that you are doing an even burn all the way around the foot of the cigar. You do not want to overdo one part of the cigar more than the other, as that will lead to a bad burning cigar. The entire foot of the cigar should look gray. This is how the cigar should look after toasting. What you will want to do before lighting it is blow through it. Like that. And now, puff on the cigar while rotating. Do not inhale the smoke, simply take a draw in and blow out the smoke.